How often questions ask about the frequency of actions or habits. The main pattern is how often do you question mark. This is essential for daily conversations when you want to know someone's routine or habits. Here are common how often questions you can use. How often do you call members of your family? How often do you see your friends in person? How often do you go on vacation? How often do you watch TV? How often do you exercise? These questions help start conversations about daily routines. More examples include how often do you drive? How often do you go to the cinema? How often do you go to the grocery store? How often do you go to the library? How often do you take pictures with your phone? Practice these to talk about different activities. When someone asks how often, answer with these common phrases. Every day means daily. Once a week means one time each week. Twice a month means 2 times each month. Every weekend means Saturday and Sunday. A few times a year means 3 or 4 times yearly. Never means 0 times. Frequency adverbs show how often something happens. Always means 100% of the time. Usually means most of the time. Often means many times. Sometimes means half of the time. Rarely means very few times. Never means 0%. Always goes before the main verb, like I always brush my teeth. Usually also before the verb. She usually walks to school, often before the verb. He often plays cricket, sometimes before the verb. We sometimes visit grandparents. Rarely before the verb. You rarely eat sweets, never before the verb. They never drink coffee. Practice filling in frequency adverbs. I blank go to bed before 10 p.m. She blank eats breakfast before school. We blank visit our grandparents. He blank watches movies on weekdays. Think about which adverb fits each routine best. Here are the correct answers for the practice. First sentence uses always. Second uses usually. Third uses often. Fourth uses rarely. These match typical daily routines and habits.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.